In this video, I describe how to fix the error. Windows cannot access the specified device, path, or file. You may not have the appropriate permissions to access the item. This error can occur on Windows Server 2019 when you press desktop icon settings whilst logged in as the built-in administrator account on a domain controller. The error occurs because of user account control for the built-in administrator account. To resolve the issue, enable the User Account Control Admin Approval mode for the built-in administrator account policy, then restart the server. Alternatively, open a run prompt, then type desk.cpl *5. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to scan, audit, and document your Windows settings, you can try our software XIA Configuration for free.